started. Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office suite and has become synonymous with presentations. 1 minute. By using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation software, you can add polish and pizzazz to professional speeches and pitches or just create a fun slideshow to share with family and friends. My PowerPoint presentation is made up of series of slides which contain the information you want to communicate with the audience. This information can include text, pictures, charts, video, sound, and more. This class covers the essentials of using PowerPoint, including getting started, adding slides, adding text and pictures to slides, changing the look of your presentation, and presenting, saving, and printing your PowerPoint slideshow. Getting started. First is click the start button in the taskbar at the bottom of the screen, then select PowerPoint. As we discussed in an earlier lecture of basic computer course training, same we also start quickly because its icon is made on our uh, desktop. Also, we start by click to start button, then write on text box Microsoft PowerPoint, then click on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So it is started, and then this is an interface of Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You see this interface, and you also see the different formats, blank presentation in which has blank slide. One page of Microsoft PowerPoint is slide. It has small size than a normal page or document page. So, next part of our lecture is PowerPoint start screen and templates. When PowerPoint opens, it displays the start screen which show all of the templates option and open other presentation. Click open other presentation to open a previously created PowerPoint presentation. More templates can be downloaded off office.com. Search the available templates by typing in the search for online template box. Uh, just as you see, uh, we see different templates on its interface, and also have search uh, icon for searching templates online in PowerPoint presentation. When we click on this search button, then add our text about which type of template you use. So it's started. Then to get started with a new presentation, first click blank presentation, then PowerPoint screen will open. Such as this, when you click on blank presentation template, so this interface is open. This is the interface of blank presentation in which you see in capital size text like click to add title, or small size click to add subtitle. You also add different text box or graphics as you want. So uh, same as formatting the PowerPoint presentation slides we discussed. After these components of the PowerPoint window, it also has different components like the ribbon starting with Microsoft Office 2007. This presentation is about Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. This is an interface. You also use new version like 2013. um, uh, According to your device capacity or uh, your device version. So this is about Microsoft 2007. In Microsoft Office program like PowerPoint have made use of the ribbon system. The ribbon is the large graphic user interface GUI that appears at the top of the PowerPoint screen. The ribbon is divided into tabs, groups, and commands. Just as you see, this is a ribbon. You also have shapes, orange, and many more options. Uh, each tab opens with different groups of commands. The PowerPoint ribbon allows user to quickly access all of the program's features and commands with a minimal number of mouse clicks. This is just a quick access toolbar. If we click on these computer quickly functions as we command this button, like click the button, so our action is performed in minimum time. Its is function of ribbon is by default in the computer or different Microsoft versions. Launcher or dialog expander buttons are displayed in the bottom right corner or some groups. Clicking the launcher button opens a task pane such as the clipboard or a dialog box such as the font group with additional option not found in the ribbon. Then quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is used to store shortcuts to frequently used commands or features. By default, save, undo, and redo are available. The toolbar can be customized to include additional commands. Quick access toolbars are undo, redo, save, and cut button uh, that are displayed in the top corner of the Microsoft PowerPoint interface. By default, save, undo, and redo are available. The toolbar can be customized to include additional commands. Then slides. The one page of PowerPoint presentation is called slides, just as you see this white blank sheet. Um, PowerPoint opens to the first and so far only slide in the show. Means uh, we prepare our lectures, our presentation in slides. And in contrast, Microsoft Word, we uh, do anything in the document, in the page, and in PowerPoint presentations, we do anything in these slides. On the left of the screen is a thumbnail, miniature version of the slide visible in the slide pane, just as these with red border. This is a thumbnail in the slide pane. The area with vertical line in which thumbnail is represented is called slide pane. As more slides are added, they are also displayed in this pane. This area is useful for navigating from slide to slide. Then add a new slide. There are several ways to add a new slide to a presentation. First, go to Home tab, then click Slides group, then click on New slide, or you command New slide so your new slide is appeared. And second, right click on the slide thumbnail and choose New slide from the shortcut menu that appears. Or To add a new slide, sorry, click on the thumbnail. The slide should follow and press enter on the keyboard. So your new slide is added. Note is with option 2 and 3, the new slide is added with the same layout as the active slide used to create it. But in option 1, you use different templates. Okay. Choosing a new slide layout. To change a slide layout, if the slide has already been added to the presentation, go to Home tab, click Slides, then Slides group, then Layout command, or select a slide layout from the resulting drop down menu. And the second method is to add a new slide with specific layout. First one is go to Home tab, then Slide groups, then New slide command. Or the second one is select slide layout from the resulting drop down menu. Just as these new slide button, click on these so your new slide is added. Or when you this has also a layout reset and selection buttons. When you click layout, so different layout of the slide is appeared for making your presentation. So you use any one of these layouts for your working, or use different layouts in different slides. Reordering slides. To change the order of the slide, first move the mouse over the thumbnail of the slide you want to move. Or the second method is click and drag the slide to the location to which you want to move it, such as these. On how to deleting slides. To delete a slide from a presentation, right click on the slide thumbnail and select delete slide on the menu that appears, or click on the slide thumbnail and press delete or backspace on the keyboard. Working with text placeholders. These are called placeholders in which text is appeared. The default slide has two formatted placeholder text boxes ready for the file title and thumbnail. This is by default. By default, slide has only two placeholders. But when you customize your slides or layer the slides, you add different placeholders in a single slides. To enter text to placeholder, just click inside the box and type. PowerPoint automatically spaces and resizes the text to fill within the placeholder. Just like regular text boxes, placeholders can be resized or moved around within the slide. Placeholders on PowerPoint slides can contain many different items, including text, tables, charts, and clip arts, depending on which layout is chosen. For example, if you use uh, this two content or comparison layout, you have two pictures options, you have table options, you have different placeholders and columns options for writing a text or adding different tables or formatting your slides. And so that's why it's written in the form of depending on which layout is chosen. Then inserting a slide. Click inside the title placeholder. The insertion point appears. Type my first slide in the title placeholder. If you don't want to name your slides, so leave this option. Then typing in a placeholder or text box. Some placeholder automatically format text in a bulleted list, as bulleted lists are used frequently in PowerPoint. First, create a new title and content slide. Second, click in the title placeholder. Third, type my content slide. Fourth, click inside the text box. 5. Type step 1, 6. Press the enter key on the keyboard and type step 2. Then 7. Press enter and type step 3. 8. Press enter. Note: to remove the bullets, highlighting the text and deselect the bullets command in a paragraph group on the Home tab. Inserting text box. Text box can be used to customize your PowerPoint slides. To insert a text box, click on the Insert tab, Text group, then Text box command. Click anywhere on the slide to add text or click and drag to draw the text box. For changing fonts, first one is select the text or placeholder to be changed. To select a placeholder, click on its outline. If the outline is solid, the entire placeholder is selected. Second, go to Home tab, then Font group, then Font command. Third, select a font from the resulting drop-down menu. Then changing font color, you use these four steps. First one is select the text or placeholder to be changed. Second, go to Home tab, Font group, then Font color. Third, if the desired color is available under theme colors or standard colors, select the color. Four, if the color is not available, click on More colors. Then working with images, adding online pictures. First, go to Insert tab, then Illustration group, then Online Pictures command. Second, type a keyword such as cat in the Bing image search box. Third, press enter to conduct the search. For various cat images are displayed. Click on an image to select it. 5. Click insert to add the picture of the slide. This is an Bing image search in which search icon is appeared. You click on online pictures, then add text. For example, you need picture of cat, so you search cat on Bing image box and click enter. So your um, pictures is uploaded as you need. Adding pictures from a computer. First step is go to Insert tab, then Illustration group, then Pictures. Second, a dialog box will appear. Third, navigate to the picture's location on the computer or flash drive. 4. Click on the image to select it. 5th, click Insert to add the picture to the slide. Resizing an image. Image can be resized using the resize handles, which appear as small shapes around the outer edge of the image. These appears as circular form in the borderline of the image. To resize an image, move the mouse over a resize handle. When the mouse cursor changes to a two-headed arrow, click and hold down the left mouse button. Drag diagonally inward to make the image smaller. Drag outward to make the image larger. Note: use a corner resize handle to maintain the image's original proportion. Using one of the size resize handles, stretch the image either horizontally or vertically. For example, this side circular corner. Undo buttons. The undo button is located in the quick access toolbar at the top of the screen. We already discussed in our previous lectures and also in first few minutes discussed undo redo buttons. Uh, but I again discuss it. Okay. To resize an action, reverse an action, click on the undo button in the quick access toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Z. Moving, rotating, and deleting an image. To move an image, first move the mouse over the image. Second, when the cursor changes to four-headed arrow, click and hold down the left mouse button. Drag the image to the desired location. The image can be rotated by clicking and dragging the white circle rotate handle. This is shown in our screen. This is round circular rotate handle. Move the mouse on the top of the rotation handle. When the cursor changes into clockwise curved arrow, click and hold the left mouse button. Drag the image either clockwise or counterclockwise until it is rotated to the desired angle. To delete an image, click on the image, press the delete or backspace key on the keyboard. Design templates. PowerPoint 2013 offers a variety of professional looking designs. You also see these. Themes automatically format slides with color or graphic backgrounds and present fonts. The same themes are accessible throughout the Office suite of programs, so document can be created in PowerPoint, Word, Publisher, etc. with a cohesive branded look. You can access the presentation themes when you first open PowerPoint or later on in the Design tab. Changing the presentation theme. To see all available themes, first go to Design tab, then Themes group. Click the More arrow to see all available themes. Click on the desired theme. So your theme and its on according to the theme is appeared in your slide. Presenting your slideshow. You can start presenting your slideshow in a number of ways. Go to Slideshow tab, then Start Slideshow group from beginning or from current slide command. Or you starting slideshow at the center of your screen. This is center of your slide. Then select the slideshow icon from the status bar at the bottom of the screen. Press the F5 key on the keyboard. Move through your slides by clicking the mouse, pressing the space bar, or using the arrow key on the keyboard. Exiting your slideshow. To exit your slideshow, first enter the ESC key on the keyboard. Right click on the slide and select End Show at the bottom of the resulting menu. For adding notes, you don't have to memorize everything that you're going to say in your presentation. PowerPoint provides the notes section for each slide. You just click on your slides in which you added note, then click on add notes so your notes is appeared. You write anything in your notes for memorizing anything. To open the note page, the notes pane can be opened by clicking on Notes on the status bar at the bottom of the screen. Click in resulting box and begin typing. Add as many notes as you need. The box will scroll if more space is required. These notes are for the presenter only. They do not appear on the screen during the PowerPoint slideshow. They will be displayed in presenter view or on the notes printout option. Then presenter view. Presenter view allows you to view notes made in the note pane, see a preview of the next slide, keep track of the length of your presentation, view thumbnails of all slides, zoom in on a slide, point to or write on your slide, and hide or unhide the slideshow, for example, before your presentation begins. To use the presenter view, go into presentation view using one of the option above, such as you show presenter view, screen pointer option, or which the one else show presenter view. Then right click on the slide, choose show presenter view from the resulting menu, and the note is about presenter view is only visible on the presenting computer. The audience will not see the presentation notes or additional option. They will only see the slides. uh, Presenter view has also a timer. and also time of the uh, slideshow time, and preview the next slides. And the you see upper part has slides with the orange, blue and green circle in which text is added, but in the black side there you see just notes about this presentation. This is only for presenter computer or device. It is not seen to any other people. They just see slides. Saving a PowerPoint presentation. As with any document creation program, it is a good idea to save the presentation immediately and then save changes frequently as you work. First, click the File tab to open the Backstage view, then click Save As, click Computer to then browse to choose a location to save the presentation. As you see, then in the file name box, type in the name for the presentation as you want to write uh, in the form of name. Then choose a file type, then click save. After the initial save, click the save icon at the top of the screen or use the keyboard shortcut control S to save the presentation quickly at any time. Printing in PowerPoint. Click the file tab to open the backstage view. Choose print from the list on the left. The default is to print out full page slides, but there are more options. Click on full page slides and select a different option. Click the print button, just as Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint Excel. Um, so this is our introduction and basics about Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now we move to our practical. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I start. For starting practical, move on this plus sign. So this is interface of different templates we use. If we click on black presentation, so uh, this is in our slide. If we use Madison, Atlas, and different um, templates we use. For example, we use this circuit. 1 minute, I sign in this. Sorry, class. This is the issue for creating account. Firstly, you create account on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Then click on this plus sign to add template. For example, if we want to use this template, so I click on this. This is a slide, and this is a slide panel. In a slide is shown. So to add a title in this placeholder, double click on this and add title, for example, graphic designing, and uh, in subtitle we use different text. Double click on this and add text. Just as the mm, and any other. You see, this is an underline, a red underline below the text. This is an error. Our computer, our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, or if you use Microsoft Word or Excel, this is an underlines means error, spelling error, or any other thing. So you correct it. Now your error is corrected. For adding new slide, click on this plus sign so your next slide is created. If you don't need this placeholder, click on this and then click on delete. So it is deleted. Uh, for, you want to add text, so double click on this and add text or link. For example, this is a WhatsApp link, so I add this link. And if you want to enter comment, click on this icon. So your comment is hidden this, or to send comment, click on this. Uh, so different people use you. If you don't want to create a comment section, just don't need to click on this comment section or send a comment. If you want to enter a picture, so click on this sign and add a picture from your gallery there. If you want to crop a picture, so 1 minute, click on first button, you crop it from any size, then for done, click on this tick icon and then finish. If you want to add a filter, so you add it like this, then finish. So your picture is there. For resizing an image, click on the image. 1 minute. It's not working. Sorry. Click on this image to resize the image. Take this circular portion and resize it, and then drag into the place where you want to add an image. Example, we want an image, and to resize the text, resize a placeholder or the um, drag the placeholder if you want to add image. You This is in home tab for inserting anything such as new slides or new comments, text box. For adding text box, click on text box. So and click on text box. This is your text box. And for coloring, for example, we use orange color. And in text, for example, if you don't need text color in white, so you change text color by click on font color. Use different, sorry, font color. Click on font color and add color. If you want to add it, when you click on this I, so your text is in the italic font. When you underline it, so your text is underlined. If we uh, I want to add underlined, so we click on this U with underline option. If you resize the text, so text box, so you drag it and increase the size. If you increase the size of this text, so you double click it and select the text and increase the size from, this is an 18, so 18 to 20, or for example 28, so your text size is increased. Or if you want to add tables, so click on tables, your table is added. It it has different options for adding row or column. You see these options are available for adding row and columns. If you delete the table, click on this wedge cross with tables, so your table is deleted. If you want to merge cells, I already choose these areas, so if we click on merge cells, so it becomes one single cell. For example, click on merge cell, so it becomes single area. We also change these colors, example shading, minute. We can change table styles. Use different table styles. To add pictures, click on pictures, then videos, click on videos. For example, you want to add video, so for example this video, so your video is inserted. In smart art we have different options. This is an paired, so we use different shapes that are unpaid, so use free minute.
Resin is toxic. The
For
mixing process
example,
is
this
toxic.
video is started
Epoxy.
in your presentation. This one. Then draw. Use different highlighters, pens, colors, inks. Um, for example, in pen, red color, and use different shapes and graphics that you want to add in it. Designs, we have different themes. As we see earlier, we use different transitions, effects. Example, more, sorry, it's not working. For slideshow, click on slideshow. If you want from beginning, so click on from beginning button, or from, if you want to slideshow from current slide, so click on from current slide. Or you, if you want to higher side, so click on higher side, and many more. Example from beginning, this is an
Resin is toxic. The mixing
horrible
process is toxic.
watercolor.
Epoxy. Resin is toxic.
And if you, this is an review of your presentation. You also add notes, click on notes, so add notes. For example, this is our notes. then done. If you edit a file, click on edit. Again, example to add a picture, on picture, then add, finish, so your picture is inserted. You resize your image if you want to. So it's all about Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So our presentation is great. You have any question and queries, so feel free to reach me. Thank you so much.